Good morning! Last day at SNFA. I am so tired from yesterday. I woke up I think around 9 o'clock and then I paid for my parking and then I went back to sleep until 11:10. But now I'm still in bed. Just woke up to go to the toilet and now it's 12:12. So I need to get my ass out of this bed. I'm gonna hop out of the bed, splash some water on my face, have some breakfast, and then shower and get ready for the last day. Are you coming with me? Let's go. Oh, get out of this bed first, and then go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, open the curtains. Time for some daylight. Need to splash some water in my face, guys. I need to wake up. Only one more day to go. So it's not that bad. It's not as bad. Oh, God, it's cold. Whew. Good morning! Or good afternoon, is it? I always like splash water. I do like a little light brushing of my teeth. Just to get all the disgusting, morning breath out of my mouth. I'm gonna put the camera like this. Stay. Okay. Sleep. Just a light brushing, and then I'm going to have coffee, eat, and then brush my teeth all the way. I need some mouthwash because I'm heavy brushing clean for the day. And today I am flying with my favorite passengers, the UK people. And I say UK people because I'm flying to Edinburgh and back, and then to London and back. So I'm flying with Scots and English. And I really love UK passengers because they are so quick. They know exactly what to do. They come into the plane, stow your luggage, take a seat, fasten their seatbelt, and they are ready to take off. I love UK passengers. I don't know if there are any flight attendants out there who have experience with UK people. But I do, and I really, really like them. So just like I said, just like brushing, get the taste out of my mouth, and of my tongue. Otherwise, I cannot taste my food. Okay. So now I'm awake, and just my face. Dry up my face. Awake and ready to take on the day. And how do you guys like my little, dress? Is it cute? I bought it at Primark Amsterdam the first time I went there, and I actually bought it to put it in my nightstand kit, my suitcase for work, but I only had one nightstand in Luton. Funny thing. And I'm ending my work day in Luton. Well, I'm ending in Amsterdam, but my last flight is to Luton, so that's funny. Only one night stop, had that one in Luton, and my last flight from Amsterdam is Luton. So I never got to use this dress, but hey, I'm still wearing it today on the day that I have to fly to Luton. So funny how things go. But yeah, I hear my water is almost done. Coffee time. And as you know, my favorite coffee, guys. Master blenders. With some coffee milk. I got some coffee milk in the fridge, I guess. And you know what I'm planning to do with all this free time? Because I am going to put some magnets on my fridge from all the places I've been ever since I moved in this place. So the first place that I went to was actually London. So actually I need a magnet from London to put up here. And the second place that I've been was Nice. So I'm gonna have to put London, Nice, and I also been to LA, so I'm gonna need something from LA, but I don't have a magnet from LA. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about that. And of course Roma. Roma, Bella Roma. I really loved it in there. I'm gonna make a vlog about my stay in Rome as well. 3 nights in Rome with my cousin. We had so much fun, guys. Wait till you see the vlog. But I am talking too much. I'm gonna make my coffee, get something to eat, take a shower, and then I'm gonna get back to you and show you how I get ready for a work day, and in this case, a last work day as an FA. Check you later. Guys, I am ready. Let's do this. Last day. Last day, guys. Last day. Getting ready for the passengers to board. And then we're off to Edinburgh. Check it out. Still waiting. And I'm going to make myself a coffee first. Okay guys, here we go. Last flight of the day, last flight of my airline. And the passengers are coming. Let's do this. Private jet. Where's everybody? Come on guys. Come on. This is my last show. Hey you guys, it is Wednesday and today is a very exciting day for me because today is the day that the old turns into the new. Today is the day that I'm turning in my uniform items for my job as a flight attendant, and this afternoon I have a very exciting appointment. I will tell you more about that later, but for now I'm just gonna head into my kitchen, grab something to eat because I haven't eaten yet. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I have to be quick and run out of the house to just do the things for today. And as you can see, I just did my hair, my makeup, and I'm gonna put on my uniform one last time to walk into that crew room, turn in the items, and say goodbye to the management team and see whatever co-workers are still there, ex-co-workers soon to be, and then say goodbye to them all. So yeah, one last time in my uniform, and I get to keep my dress, so that's what I'm wearing today, just like Ariana Grande sings, one last time. So that's today. So guys, yeah, it's a little bittersweet, but as I told you guys before, I wanted to stop anyway because I want to do something else, bigger and better things, or in the future for me. So new exciting things. So just keep watching, keep following, and I will take you with me on this exciting new journey in my life. But for now, I'm gonna say bye, and I'll meet you guys later during the day. And maybe if I have a chance, I will vlog something in the crew room or just take a few pictures and then show you guys. Later! Okay guys, I seriously don't know what's going on here because there's a lot of traffic going on to the airport. There are 2 lanes closed and there's only one open. I think it's a big accident because I see police, I think ambulance, I have no idea. So I guess if I'm stuck here any longer, I won't be able to make it to my appointment this afternoon. And I might not even say goodbye to everybody of my management team. Oh, this is so typical. Every time the road to Schiphol, when you really need to get there, there's something going on. So annoying. There's some issue going on. Check it out. I won't be able to film up close because I think the police is there. So what I'm doing is not very, allowed. So, but as you can see, roadblocks and the guy with his big head here in front of me. Look, 2 things are red. So definitely a big accident. Only 1 lane available to the airport of Schiphol. Typical. Let's stroll to the crew room. So such an epic moment. Epic. Hey you guys, it is Saturday, June 3rd. That means it's a new month. And I didn't vlog anything the 1st and 2nd day of June because I had to work. And my camera was, I don't know, somewhere in a bag. Because I spent a few days at my mom and I had to bring clothes and stuff from my mom back here at the house. And my camera was somewhere at the bottom. And I was just too lazy to search for it. And other than that, I didn't do anything much anyway. So... But I just want to tell you that I am back in a new uniform. Just like that. Yeah, like nothing happened. I am back working on the ground. Just part-time as always. Just like a freelance job. So, it's like I never left. I have to get used to the idea that I'm not going to be flying anymore. But like I said already, I wanted to do something else with my life. And I'm gonna go make myself something to eat because tomorrow I'm gonna start that new project, which is very exciting. I will tell you more about it soon, but for now I have to organize a lot of things, just make a step-by-step plan for myself, like how am I gonna do it, when do I want to do certain things, and just make goals for myself. So yeah, it's gonna be a very exciting new journey for me. So that's why my job on the ground in aviation is just part-time freelancing, because I am gonna be my own boss soon. So yeah, so excited. So now I'm gonna head to the kitchen, do some dishes, make something to eat, and then relax in my bed right behind me and just watch some TV. The TV is right there on my, what do you call it, my vanity. I need to buy a table for the TV. I haven't done that yet. Ever since I moved in, I'm like buying stuff one by one. So everything I need, I'm just buying it. I made myself a shopping list for all the things I need around the house. So table for the TV is one of them. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I am going to do the things I need to do for tonight. So I guess I'll just see you guys tomorrow, Sunday. Yeah, it's Saturday evening, but I'm gonna spend the evening at home because I had a birthday party to go to, but I had to work, and now it's already late, so I don't feel like changing and doing my makeup and hair to go to a birthday party that has already started hours ago. No, a cousin of mine turned 20 years old today, or not today, but on Monday, the same day that my goddaughter had her 6th birthday. But he is celebrating it today with family and music and a band. So I'm missing out, but hey, c'est la vie. I have other priorities for now, so maybe next year. But guys, check it tomorrow on Sunday. Ciao for now. And that's the dinner. I made some couscous with mushrooms, olives, onions, and some soy sauce. Just a quick thing that I just made up. And I'm having a Diet Coke. So that's it for the dinner. Tomorrow, see you guys then. Bye bye. Hey guys, it's Sunday and I just got back from Baywatch at the movies here in Amsterdam, and I'm gonna take a picture. I'm going to take a picture in front of this. It was such a fun movie, and especially the end when Pammy came out. Oh my god, I really enjoyed it. Now it's time to take pictures. So now we are going. Sophia and I, and look who's here. Sophia, say hi. Did you enjoy the movie? Yeah. She liked it. So now it's time to go home. 2 movies today. Baby, it's already cold outside. And here I am again in Amsterdam Belmer Arena. Like often, you guys see me here. Well, pretty much the only thing I do here is go to the movies actually. Or sometimes go to the market. Or visit family who lives here. But today it was another movie day. We went to 2 movies tonight. We went to Double Play, you know, the one that was shot in Curacao, and then Baywatch. So it was a Caribbean event, the first one. That's why I'm wearing my shirt. This is so heavy. Check out my shirt. Keep calm and be Caribbean, especially for the Curacao movie. So let me see how much this joke is gonna cost me tonight. Ooh, 13 euros. Not too shabby, huh? Ooh, bing, 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 bing. Time to find the car. Oh my god, guys. I am vlogging right now, but I haven't vlogged in like a few weeks, and all the other vlogs I did not edit yet, so I have a shit load of vlogs to edit for you guys. So I'm gonna edit them and put them on YouTube, basically one by one, like one every day for the next week or so, because there's a lot you guys need to catch up on my life. A lot has happened, so for all you followers who want to see what's going on, keep watching these next maybe 2 weeks or so. But I'm here at my car One second, I'm gonna get my key. I always have to search for my key. In the parking lot. There you are in the parking lot. I have a little blue car. And blue is my favorite color. I don't know if I ever told you guys that before, but blue is my favorite color. So yeah, that's why my baby is blue. So I'll check you guys when I'm at home. Right now I'm gonna drop off Safira here at her place, and then I'm gonna go to my place. So check you guys later. Hey you guys, I'm home, ready to go to sleep. Because tomorrow I have a long ass day. I have so much stuff to do. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I just wanna thank you guys for watching again this week. And see you guys in the next vlog. Mwah. Ciao.